Hello everyone. So this is Gayatri Priya. I hope this particular video will help you in installing the student version of Orcad. Right? Click on Save As. It will be going up for download. So save. I have already saved this file. I'm just replacing it. So once if it is done, come to the downloads. Right? I'm just typing star.exe. Right? It will show the application file. Right click, run as administrator. Click yes. Okay, here we can choose the location depending upon the space availability. Okay, here I have chosen C colon user and my folder name unzip. So all the 18 files, make sure that all the 18 files are unzipped successfully. If it is means, click OK, close it, minimize it, come to the C colon users and my folder. Okay, here we have the unzipped 18 files being available over here. Select the setup file, right click, run as administrator, click yes. So the installation shield is being prompted over here. So if any antivirus software is enabled, so kindly disable it for a while. So click yes for continuing the installation and then click capture. Next. Okay, here the destination folder is C colon program files arcade underscore demo. Click next. So piece by students, click next. The folder name would be piece by student like that. It's just copying down the piece by files and updating the asking for the registrations. Click OK. The files are being rendered and click on finish. Now the release notes will be open up. Okay, just close it. If you want to restart the systems, you can do it once or just type in the search bar as capture. Right, here we'll be having the capture student tab. Okay, click on this run as administrator. Right click on this run as administrator, or sorry, left click, click yes. Okay, so this is the page, a welcome page of our Orcad Capture. Okay, and this is going to be the session log. Okay, where this somewhat resembling the command window in your MATLAB software. Okay, so where all our errors and warnings will be displayed. Okay, so hope you follow this and install the Orcad student version in your laptop. Thank you.